Welcome to EES Consultancy. Rezekne, located in eastern Latvia, is a city brimming with cultural heritage, natural beauty, and a vibrant community. As you explore this captivating destination, you'll discover a wealth of experiences that will leave you enchanted. The city of Rezekne is known for its rich historical landmarks, including the iconic Rezekne Castle ruins and the beautiful St. Nicholas Orthodox Church. These sites provide a glimpse into the city's past and showcase its architectural beauty. Surrounded by breathtaking landscapes, Rezekne offers a paradise for nature lovers. The nearby Lake Rezekne and the Rezekne Pine Forest offer opportunities for outdoor adventures, such as hiking, boating, and wildlife spotting. Rezekne is also a hub for cultural activities and artistic expression. The Rezekne Drama Theater and the Rezekne History and Art Museum are just a few examples of the city's commitment to promoting arts and culture. The city's community spirit is celebrated through various festivals and events, such as the Rezekne City Festival and the Latgale Folklore Festival, where locals and visitors come together to celebrate their heritage. At EES Consultancy, we are passionate about showcasing Rezekne as a remarkable place to live, work, and explore. With its blend of history, nature, and cultural vibrancy, Rezekne offers a unique and fulfilling experience for residents and tourists alike. Join us as we unravel the wonders of Rezekne and invite you to embark on an unforgettable journey.